Ella, and today we're going to be fixing this horse. So if you have any other toys at home that is a bit raggedy, or you see one in the shops or at a car boot sale, then you should get it and just help it out. You get some sandpaper and lay the horse down. You just do it, and this sanding down. So there's no more felt on it. This bit might take a little while. Because we're going to paint it, we'll have to take the hair off. If you cannot take any of the bits off, wrap it up in cling film. Now we're going to wash him. He is all white and lovely now. First you watch, then you wash him after you've sanded it down. Because he will be probably quite muddy or quite dirty after that. If there is a hole, make sure that you don't get any water in, or it might go stale and black. Okay, it isn't coming out. Okay, where's that? You wash it like a human by putting soap on it first. Then you kind of, and now we get some soap and we wash him. He's all clean and ready to paint. Now we're just gonna let him dry a little bit though. Say hello. Say hello to YouTube. Hello. How did you know he was here?
Heard him.
Okay, so we've let it dry for about 20 minutes or so and wrap any of the hair up in cling film so none of it gets ruined and stuck together. I'm wrapping up the tail. I would use spray. We're using spray paint, but you don't need to. Okay, that's so cool.
Go.
So now we can paint it.
Not that close.
You're gonna get some on my. Okay.
Yep.
And now we have completed the horse. We just need the googly eyes and stick the hair on. So you do the horseshoes. As you see, we have done black horse. So you let your adult do the eye, but just do a dot where you want them. With a Sharpie normally. I'm going to do it all on where the eye was. We have to brush the hair, the mane and the tail so it doesn't get too knotted. First I would do the mane. Now the tail. Now they're dry, get your big person to put super glue on the mane. Get your dad or your mum to put super glue on the mane to stick it back on. It's now super glued on and it looks really good. If it gets a bit matted or knotty when it's on, wait for it to dry and and then you can brush it once again. You don't have to do it gold, you can do whatever colour you like. This is our final result of our horse. If you've been following this video and been doing it on your own toy, then please send a video in on the comments. See you next time, please subscribe, bye.